Starting with question number 8. Let P1 is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 a matrix. P2 is 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0. P3 is equal to 0 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. P4 is equal to 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0. P5 is that P6 is equal to 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0, and X is equal to K is equal to 1 to 6. PK 2 1 3 1 0 3 3 2 1. PK transpose, where PK transpose is transpose of PK. Then which of the following option is or are correct? Moving to our solution, at first option A. Now X transpose, we are trying to solve X transpose is equal to what? We know X is equal to that. Then X transpose is equal to this is P1 A P P1 P2 A P2, such like all 6 matrices and its transpose. That is equal to XT is equal to P1 A P1 plus P2 A P2 P2 plus up to dot dot P6 A P6 and this transpose. That is equal to, now transpose all the element P1 A P1 whole transpose plus P2 A P2 this transpose up to P6 A P6 this transpose. That is become P1 transpose A transpose P2 P1 transpose. That is become P1 A P1. That is equal to our X. Therefore, X transpose is equal to X. Then we easily say X is a symmetric matrix, as X transpose is equal to X. Therefore, X is a symmetric matrix. X is a symmetric matrix. Therefore, option A is right. Now getting to option B. Option B, we know XB is equal to P1 A P1 multiplying with B plus P2 A P2 multiplying with B, such that it's going on up to P6 A P6 multiplying with B. It becomes P1 A B P2 A B, because this and this multiplying with get the final element B. It goes on and end up to P6 AB. Now AB, here AB is common, then we write AB into P1 plus P2 plus up to dot 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 P6. Now we adding P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus P4 plus P5 plus P6. We get 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0, first element 0, 0. That is equal to P1 plus P2 is first element 2, then 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 0, 0, then 2, third 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 plus 1 is equal to. Therefore, it is just like that 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. We get our P1 plus P2 plus P3 dot dot P6. Then our A is given. A is what? 2, 1, 3, 1, 0, 3, 3, 2, 1. Therefore, multiplying with 2, 1, 3, 1, 0, 3, 3, 2, 1. Now B is equal to what? B is equal to 1, 1, 1. B is equal to 1, 1, 1. Therefore, B is equal to 1, 1, 1. Calculating this, here 2 is a common factor, and after calculating this and this, we get 6, 3, 6, 6 and 2, 3 and 2 is equal to say 5, 6, and this one 3, 3, 3, and this one's 6, and this is like 3, 3, 6, 6, 3, 6, and this 1, 1, 1. Therefore, it becomes 6, 6 and 3. Adding this, we get 15. 2 into 15, 15, 15. Therefore, after taking 15, it becomes 15 into 1, 1, 1. That is equal to 30. That is equal to 30 into 1, 1, 1. It becomes, xb is equal to that. Therefore, xb is equal to 30 of, it is b. Therefore, our second choice is right. That is alpha is equal to 30, and here alpha is equal to 30, implies alpha is equal to 30. Therefore, number B is also right, option B. Now getting to option C. Option C, we know xb is equal to 30 of b. That is implies x minus 30 into I is equal into b. After this one is equal to 0. Implies, we know ax is equal to 0. Then here non-trivial solutions become. Therefore, that is x is equal to 30 into I is an invertible matrix. X is equal to 30 into I is an invertible it is implies that now calculating that we know ax is equal, if ax is equal to 0, therefore here a non-trivial solution present. Here a non-trivial solution present. Therefore x is equal to 30 into I is an invertible matrix. It is wrong. Therefore our option C is wrong option. Now getting to option D. Option D. Option D is here one thing, here B is acting as X, okay, then it is clear for everybody. Now getting to option D, X is equal to P1A P1 plus P2A P2, that is equal to IA I plus here P that is equal to I is equal to 1 0 0 and 0 0 1 0 1 0. It is not necessary here. That implies here, and our P is 2A. Sorry. Our A is equal to 213 103 and 321. Therefore, we putting A is equal to 1 2 1 3 1 0 2 3 2 1, and our P is equal to 1 0. P is equal to 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 1. Therefore 0 0 1 1 and 0 0 1. Calculating this, we get here first 3 plus as 1 3 1 and 1 0. Calculating these 2 first term, second element 2 and 3 3 2 1 1 0 2, and it is 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. Then next it is 3 plus, and this becomes, now I taking about, this is 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0, and it is going on, just 6 times, that is 3 and at 6 times 3, 6 times 3, and it is equal to 18. That is our option D. The sum of the diagonal, that is diagonal elements multiplication, diagonal elements entire of x is 18. Therefore all the diagonal elements are 3 and it is happened 6 times. Therefore it is also 18. Now we reached our to option D. This is also correct. Therefore our option A, B and D is correct, and option C is wrong. That's all.